So we're finishing up on the Nova. They're supposed to come pick it up tomorrow. We're going to do a walk around tomorrow morning before they get here. Watch out, baby. Back it up, man. I'm not in a good mood today. Okay? We had a lot of fucking problems.
Well, then why don't you put it on tape for the next hour and relive it? That'd be great.
I might.
Why don't you?
You know, it all comes down to this. Aftermarket parts. Aftermarket parts suck.
Well, work yourself up into frenzy. This should make for another few hours of being mad.
This is Sunday, all right? Sunday is what day it is. Just got back from Denver yesterday on a nice little 2-day vacation. So back to the fucking grindstone, right? So let's go look at this real quick. So you can kind of get an idea, it's done. Now, I do want to try to adjust this door one more time. We're going to try to adjust this, but we're going to do it tomorrow morning. This car was wrecked really hard in this area, just to let you know. Full of Bondo. The car came out great. Okay, what else do you want me to say? Come on over here. So,
let me just preface this with something.
Go ahead and
Hang on. Wait.
Huh?
I want to preface this with something.
Preface?
Yeah.
What the fuck is that?
That means before you begin, I want to say something.
Go ahead. Say something.
Pete has two choices. It could be a great day today because that car over there on the other side is leaving tomorrow and it looks beautiful. And that could end the day on a great note. But instead, he chooses to get mad again after he's already gotten over his madness, because this morning he spent hours screaming, cussing, fucking going temper tantrums, and now he wants to do it again.
Talk.
So now, okay, everybody. So now, everybody, here we go. Here's his choice, and this is the choice he does every day. He chooses to be mad and live in hate and shit.
Can I go ahead and talk?
Go.
Okay, thank you. So I was putting the door together. I went ahead and refinished the wing windows. You can see that. It looks nice. Aftermarket rubber sucks. We know that. This rubber sucks. We know that. I'm going to show you. This is an aftermarket door. This is not aftermarket. This is not aftermarket. This is aftermarket. Okay? Look at it.
See, he's choosing to be mad again.
Look at it.
He's choosing to be mad instead of being happy
that
that car over there is leaving.
Can you look at the bottom?
He's choosing to be mad instead of ending the day on a happy note.
That is junk. Come on over here.
See, look at him. He's trying to get riled up. Look at his face. Look at him. Look at him. And I have to live with this shit.
You know, this is bullshit. I don't know why you're acting like this.
Day. And this
you're
is
the one
Sunday.
getting pissed off.
You know what, everybody? You know what, everybody?
I don't believe this. This was going to be a nice little video.
No, it
Aftermarket shit.
No, it wasn't. You were going to scream and holler and throw shit and probably end up breaking something.
Oh, I ain't
and having to fix something because you got
Trust
mad.
me, it ain't gonna break. It's already broke. How can it break?
I meant throwing it and it hit the fucking truck, Pete. You know? Because your temper.
These suck. Look at that. Look.
Yeah, and we've had a shitty day all day because of that. Yeah.
Look.
Yeah, and you want to go there again.
There's nothing wrong with the factory ones.
Throw it so that it hits
They're not.
break.
They're not. What can we say? Broke. Those are not broke. There's nothing wrong. They're factory original, and they work perfect. This is stuck. Look. Okay, watch. Do you see that? Look. It's junk. Junk! So I had the whole door together. It was working. Everything was fucking done. This is what I did. Look. What happened then? Huh? Go ahead.
The door wouldn't open.
The door would not fucking open. The door is fucked up. The lock will not unlock. The inside handle will not fucking work. All because of this aftermarket piece of
Pete had
shit.
a major meltdown. Let me tell you, he was throwing shit.
Minnie goes in there to
He was
unlock
cussing
it.
shit.
It didn't unlock.
He
I
was
went in
going
there
nuts.
for 2 fucking hours. I finally got the door.
At the top of his lungs,
I finally got the
cussing
door undone.
at the top of
Look
his
in the latch here. This is for everybody out there that this might happen to.
Yeah.
If you look inside this hole, look.
Nobody will act like you do.
Look
Nobody
inside this hole. Can you
will
show them?
act like that.
That goes all the way through to here. So if your door does not fucking open, you can get inside there with a star socket and unscrew this. But then, good luck getting it out. Because, come on over here. Look at this. Give me the camera. So I had to pry this motherfucker out. So now I got to do a little bit of body work, get this straightened back in, and then all that. I had to take this whole fucking door apart. The whole fucking door. To put the fucking outside doorknob back on the fucking door. 3 fucking hour job. 3-hour job.
Yeah, I know. You screamed and cussed the whole fucking time, Pete.
Okay, so we got this stuff here left. This is what's
Well,
left.
hurry fucking up, because I'm ready to go inside.
This is what's left right here to put on the truck.
Are you going to start bitching and
Now,
cussing
some
now
stuff
about
we
it?
can't use. We're not going to use.
I'm sure you will.
All right? But the problem is, here's an aftermarket. Here, look at this.
Why don't you start making problems before you even start?
No, I want to show you this piece of shit. Look at this.
Why don't you break it, completely break it, Pete?
Can you look at that? No, go ahead. I want your opinion on that. Touch it.
It's not mine. I don't
Look
give
at
a
it.
fuck, Pete.
$300 fucking dollars for 2 of these. ABS plastic that's put in a fucking mold. Fucking junk.
Break the motherfucker, and then you'll
This
be
is
paying for it out of your fucking pocket, you
Fucking
dumbass.
junk. Look at this. He unpacks it.
You see, you're trying to fucking break shit.
No, I'm not.
Yeah, you were trying to see how far you could bend it before it would break.
He unpacks
You
it.
fucking dumbass.
The owner unpacks it.
Anybody out there want a new husband?
Wow.
I got Pete for sale.
Can I
Because
show
I'm
him
done
this?
with him.
Can I show him this, please?
No.
This
I'm
is about
done, Pete.
aftermarket shit.
Who cares?
Look. So this comes with the.
You're gonna fucking be when you go to actually put that on the car, you're gonna say all this shit over again. So why are you gonna do it now?
So you take this, and I don't even think we can use this. Look, I really don't. Look at that. Would you
I'm not
reuse
looking
it?
at nothing.
So this was actually, look at the little rivets they had on there. This came on the door panel for $300 or whatever the fuck they cost. He went to put this on his car. And this popped off. It went like that. Look, watch. That's what it did. It popped off. Hey, Pete, can you fix that for me? Can you go ahead and fix that? Looky here. This is broke. Look, it's fucking broke.
So you broke it.
I didn't break it. He brought it to me like that.
Wouldn't doubt if you didn't break it with your fucking.
Okay, come on over here. Look at here.
Bullshit.
Come on.
Have to fucking
Look at
do it
this.
all fucking day.
Can you look at this?
I'm sure you've already got videos of this, don't you?
No.
Look here, you do it yourself.
Look at that. Look.
I don't care. I don't care about that. I'm going in the fucking house, Pete.
I can't fucking believe it. I can't believe you won't stay out here with me and help me. I can't believe you're going in the house. You're not even going to come outside. I need your help, okay? What time is it? What time is it? Where's my phone? I don't even know where my phone is. Do you? Wow. Gonna leave me out here all by myself. Jeez. Thank you very much. So I was talking about these right here. Let's go ahead and do this, okay? Can you see that? Can everybody see this gap? Look at this. Look, I'm sticking my finger underneath the tail light, the aftermarket piece of shit tail light. It doesn't even sit up flush. Look at that. And it sticks out like it's aerodynamic, like it's gonna start flying. What a fucking joke. Total fucking trash. I go ahead and I had to take this off to get to all this shit, to redo it all. And when I did this, the stamped in little nuts, the little square stamped in nut, they fell off. They fucking fell off. So there was another fucking hour job putting that shit together. Trash, total fucking trash. So I went ahead and changed this doorknob out back to the factory one. I went ahead and painted the insert black like factory. It took me 3 hours to put this aftermarket piece of shit dash in. 3 fucking hours. 3 hour fucking job. Maybe longer, I don't even know. Did I charge the owner 3 hours? No, I'm gonna charge him 3 hours of fucking labor to put the dashboard in. I'm gonna charge him 8 hours of fucking around with this door. No, I can't do that. I can't do that, so I'm the one that's fucking losing. On the other hand, if it was at his house and he was doing it, he would have had to go through all the shit that I went through. But how can I charge him, justify the situation that it took 8 fucking hours of my time to get that door back together because of aftermarket shit that's fucking junk? I'm the one that loses, not the owner. I can't charge the owner that much. There's no fucking way I can do that. I went ahead and restored these. These are actually factory. And I painted the black in there and I polished the chrome and made them look new. Went to the junkyard to get those, by the way, all the way a fucking 185 or miles away, one way and all this other shit. Went to the junkyard and got them. The new ones that they sell, they're plastic. Plastic chrome. Kind of like these cheap piece of shit motherfuckers here. Look at this. Let me grab one of those so you can see this. This is plastic, people. This is plastic. Plastic fucking chrome. Fucking junk. It's plastic. When you buy these, they don't even come with gaskets. If you don't have the factory gasket, fuck you. We're not giving you one. Fuck off. This is aftermarket. Let me tell you about the tailgate. I fucked with the tailgate for 4.5 hours, lining it all up so it'll work. Total fucking bullshit, people. This little tinker toy bullshit aftermarket crap, it's just junk. It's fucking junk. He wanted to get some aftermarket latches. I told him, dude, you get some aftermarket latches, you're on your own. I've dealt with those before. I know what the fuck goes on with them. I ain't fucking with them. They don't line up, they don't fucking hook up, and nothing fucking works. So, factory latches are in it, factory door handles, and anything else that I could put on this fucking truck that was factory originals going, here's a piece. I had to go to the junkyard to get that. Right there. There you go. Because the factory ones are aluminum. And they don't fucking line up, and they don't fit, and they don't work. And they're stupid. And they're not even chrome plated or stainless steel. They're polished fucking aluminum. Ridiculous. Total fucking sham. Total fucking sham. So I'm closing it down. It's fucking Sunday. Let's see what time it is. It's 3 fucking o'clock. I'm going in the house. I've been out here since 6 or 7 o'clock this morning fucking around. I was all excited to get these fucking doors done. And then this bullshit fucking flies. And you think you had a bad day? Yeah, okay, sure. Remember to put my friend Pete in your prayers. I need all the prayers I can get, bitch. All the prayers I can get. Let me go ahead and tell you a little story about this. This was a high school car that her dad gave her. Beautiful car. And she wanted to restore the car, I guess. Or actually her husband wanted to restore it for her. This is 2 days before Christmas, by the way, or 3 days before Christmas. She's going to get it on Christmas Eve. And besides this being painted, it's been sitting since 2002, okay? It's been sitting, you can see it right there, 2002. So this car's been sitting for 22 years. And it was sitting outside. So I just got done taking it for a drive. I went about 10 miles, and it runs really good. It's super powerful, got a lot of, but it's just an old car. It's just an old car. When you get in it, it drives like an old car. It's got the Wampy-Sacky boat steering on it. It rides like a rock. It's loud. It's obnoxious. The brakes barely work on it. And it's dangerous. It's a dangerous situation. So, I mean, you know, that's what you want to do, restore the old car. By the way, this is what that brand new chrome would have looked like. Okay, it wouldn't have even matched. It would have been it would have been bright aluminum, not stainless steel, which is bullshit. I bought brand new bumpers for this car. Thank God those lined up. I had to wait a month to get these fucking door panels. $300, people. $300 for 2 door panels. A left and a right front door panel. $300 fucking dollars. And then they weren't even stamped out when I got them. I had to cut all the holes out and line all the clips up and all this other shit. There was 3 or 4 hours in that. Can I charge the owner 3 or 4 hours? No. No, I can't. So we'll find out a reasonable rate that I can charge him, and we'll get her done. And that, my friend, is the true story of aftermarket shit. You buy the shit, it's gonna go on like shit. You pay your money for the shit, it is shit. Get yourself a big old truckload of toilet paper because you're gonna need it, and a plunger to flush the shit down the fucking toilet, bitch! These are aftermarket too. Wow. What's this? Bolts? We don't know. Yeah, there's an impact or ratchet. Here you go. Ain't that fucking great? $300 for door panels, and this is what they look like. Fucking junk. Junk.